We are now in our hotel. All right, so I'm about to start editing for Peachy Queen because today's Tuesday and I post on Wednesday. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, Peachy Queen, if you're not subscribed yet, and watch all my latest videos. Let's get into this editing. Time for dinner. I changed my clothes. I needed something more comfy. And we're eating Chick-fil-A. I got a 3-piece chicken strip with some fries. About to dig in because we haven't had a full meal since 11 and that was like 8 hours ago. So need to eat. Day 2, this is the next morning and I want to show you guys an outfit of the day. Let's start from the top to bottom. I have these rhinestone earrings that I got from Forever 21. A necklace that I think my mom got from HSN. This white top and bell-bottom leggings that I got from JCPenney, and I put this jacket over it just because I get cold. And I got this jacket from, I think I got it from Ross. And extra jewelry here. Here's the full fit. Super cute, love it. And today we're going to be touring townhouses.
You know, it's big enough.
Yeah, this is a good size and it has a window.
Okay, so this one has a vacuum attached to it.
It is kind of nice having it attached to your room so you could just go directly in. And this one seems big. It's a nice size.
It's nice.
Bathroom. Like it has a powder area kind of. Sink.
It's really nice.
Yeah, it's cute.
The second bedroom, it looks like.
I think it's the regular, because doesn't the master have like a bathroom? This is a nice shower. Oh yeah, this is definitely the master.
Yeah, this is the master.
It's very nice.
The closet is big.
Okay, a whole tub here.
That's nice.
And this is the closet. Ooh, pretty big. You get 2 different areas to hang clothes. Oh, 3 actually.
It's nice and big. It's like the one we have now.
I don't want to get copyrighted. This is ratchet. I'm gonna try to do my makeup. I haven't actually done my makeup this whole time on this trip, so why not? And everything. No! Can you stop falling? Alright, I finished up on my eyeliner. Here's how it looks. I guess decent for being in the car, but it took me so long just to make it look like this. And by the way, I'm using this Lottie London stamp eyeliner. It's actually really good, but the thing is the stamp part is dry, which is why I'm starting to struggle so much on my eyeliner. It used to be so easy when the stamp was working, but now not so much. And I think it's just drying out in general, so I need to get a new one. Comment down below if you have any other stamp eyeliner brands that I can try out. Next, I'm going to put on this Maybelline New York Lash Sensational Sky High Mascara. I originally saw this on TikTok because it was super popular at one point, so I decided to get it, and it actually works pretty well. Update, my mom and we got our nails done before we came here. I don't think I've showed you guys yet, except on Instagram, so make sure to follow me on Instagram at Peachy Queen Official to get all the updates. No acrylic. Can you not be so loud? No acrylics this time because my nails need a break. They're pretty short right now because when I put acrylics on, they're so damaged and thin afterwards. Oh yeah, those are her nails. Yep, we both just got some gel, lasts longer and is stronger.
So there's a bathroom.
All right. Little window here.
Yeah, which is.
Oh, this is a cute tub. It's clear. It looks clean. Wait, open it.
For storage.
All right. More down here.
Yeah.
First room. Here's what it looks like. Kind of small, to be honest, but I feel like we could work with the space possibly. This is a nice light up here. Let's go outside actually. Huge. All right, are you ready to go upstairs? So here are the stairs. Have some nice carpet here. Side so you don't fall off. Protect you. Ooh, these are steep. Really high. Look at you coming up. We could put stuff up there for decoration. And here.
Yep.
Okay, where do you want to go? Left or right? Ooh, left looks more interesting. Okay, so laundry room.
Oh, cool. On the second floor, you don't have to go
What in the,
downstairs.
this looks like something in Japan. What in the high tech? Always extra compartments for like
Linen.
towels. Ooh. So this is probably the master bedroom, I think.
Nice and spacious.
Oh, vaulted ceilings a little bit, like it goes in.
Yeah. Look, they always put like the I
Separate.
just like this finishing, the black and white.
We've never had that before.
This stuff is disgusting.
It's not as bad as the other one we saw.
It's
in
like the one I had.
These are cute. I could take pictures here. Ooh, cute. Ooh, and the top ones can open here.
Ooh, look at this.
Oh,
For my shoes. This is like
this is a
Houston.
pretty closet.
Right here.
More compartments than you need. Secret room. Here's the view from up here.
I love this house.
Very nice. So far we've seen how many places? 3, I believe. We've seen 3 different places, but we're not fully sure. We still need to see more before we make a decision. And the computer's right there. Mama Peach was looking at some places for us to go check out. I think we have 1 more scheduled for today. And yeah, I just really hope we find a nice place. I'm sure there's a place that's meant for us to live in, so yeah. Last time we left you guys, we were basically showing you guys the process of us looking for places. And guess what? We're going to do that again. We're on the freeway up a bunch of mountains and nothingness. But yeah, the first time we did a home search, it just didn't work out. We found a place, but we weren't really feeling it that much. So we decided to look again. I'm not gonna lie, this has been a process, right, Mama Peach? It's been a process.
Yeah.
It's been stressful sometimes, but hey, we're trying. No one ever said looking for a home was easy. So also guys, a tip, if you're also looking for a place to live, don't just settle for any place. Make sure it's the right place that is meant for you and that you actually really like. I mean, that's what we're going for. Now enjoy this road trip montage. Ooh. Oh my gosh. Wait a dang on minute. Good morning, USA.
Good morning, guys. So this morning we're driving back to our home.
Yeah.
Where we came from.
Your outfits for the day? I cannot. Something light, comfy, but still cute.
Our no makeup look.
Really? I actually didn't put any makeup on today because if we're not having any tours or showings, I'm good. If we're just gonna be sitting in the car driving.
I put a little eyebrow pencil on.
With-
You can barely see it.
Yeah, but you still look good, so.
Yes.
All right. So we're going to go get some breakfast and then we'll be on our way back.